Hello Auto Hub family. This is our twisted loop 1200 GSM 60 cm 40 cm microfiber cloth. It has twisted loops which absorb more water than any other microfiber cloth. Auto Hub microfiber cloth is made from 70% polyester and 30% polyamide, which helps in quicking drying and absorbing water effortlessly. Even a single wipe sucks all the water immediately. Our unique microfiber cloth for cars is best in scratchless car washing, detailing and drying, and preferred by professionals across the globe. Our towel for car can withstand hundreds of car and bike washing and getting softer each time. It is a durable and long-lasting microfiber cleaning cloth. This car towel can also be used in vehicle interiors and exteriors, and perfect microfiber cloth for bike and car. It is dual-sided and single cloth is enough for cleaning multiple cars at a time.